A feast for the senses was enjoyed by food lovers last Saturday, June 8 at Crimson Resort and Spa Mactan for the month-long celebration of the Cebu Food and Wine Festival 2024. The event kicked off at the resort's Calma Garden, where guests were greeted with refreshments and treats.
Basically, cette année, the idea is to introduce all our new restaurants. Previous years, the event was on the beach, where we had stalls around the beach and a big party, big band. This year, we encourage the guests to walk through the restaurants, to try our new Japanese restaurant Aka, try a brand new Saffron restaurant, the all-day dining, but also discover some new dishes in Enye. We have Fernando Alcantara, an amazing Spanish chef, visiting us. In Saffron, we'll have Rose Hudson doing a beautiful, amazing chocolate bonbon. And we'll finish the evening in our brand new renovated Azure for a big party and a great firework.
The feast then commenced simultaneously at the resort's reopened dining outlets, which include Aka by Naoki Iguchi, that offered a gastronomic spread of Japanese flavors made of ingredients freshly sourced from Japan. It also featured the dishes of Chef Masahiro Kinoshita.
So we are actually for the authentic Japanese restaurant. So we are elements buy from Japan and the Japanese products as much as we can, and they combine local fish, which is we make it sashimi sushi for the nigiri and sashimi for the raw meat of the fish serving the guests. The other hand, we have like a Robata charcoal station. We cook for some wagyu or Japanese beef and the yakitori chicken skewer. Over there, we have like tempura station. So tempura is one of Japanese like a traditional way to cooking deep fry. So and then behind actually we have kamameshi, which is like a hot pot where like a fresh cook for the steamed rice with some like a fish or chicken. So that's our concept actually.
Meanwhile, Spanish specialties and other European flavors were served at Enye by Shele Gonzalez with the help of the culinary talents of chefs Francisco Javier Garcia Amador and Fernando Alcala.
Well, we try to mix about traditional food and also modern. And I try to remind, of course, of my beginnings in my city. I'm from the south of Spain. So what we try to give to the guests is an experience where they can choose also modern and also traditional food. Well, of course, the most important and people is very for paellas. It's very important, but also we have now our set menu is being very upselling, where you can find a mix also of traditional and good for sharing. Not all is like fine dining. So we have, for example, a tuna. It's very nice, a tuna glazed with soy sauce, and it's very interesting. Also, we are offering here. They can see our squid filled with callos. It's very nice, and the potato brava is also very nice.
Saffron Cafe, on the other hand, showcased an assortment of international flavors from east to west, best paired by Victoria Amore's chocolate bonbons made of beans locally sourced from Bohol by chocolatier Rose Hudson.
We're showcasing our foods here, which is basically international, but with also we concentrate as well on the local foods. As you can see, it is all selections of the finest Filipino fruits from all regions, right? And then we have as well some foods right here. We have the pasta station, we have the noodle station.
Victoria Amore's, a luxury chocolate brand, which you can only. It is only available in Japan. I am just using this brand to, encourage more cacao farmers. Yeah.
The night ended with an after party at the Azure Beach Club, where a variety of drinks, desserts, and entertainment satisfied everyone's senses.
The concept of Azure Beach Club is modern contemporary Southeast Asian. When I say Southeast Asian, you've got Thai, Malaysian, Singaporean. You've got a very mixed, but with a little bit of a beach style to it, right? And it's very family orientated, so the portions are great for sharing. Nothing is just like individual. So that's kind of the main concept that we're at.
The Cebu Food and Wine Festival features chefs from the Philippines and around the globe to celebrate delectable tastings, wine pairings, and master classes throughout the city, promoting gastronomy tourism to the next level. This has been 𝗀𝗲 𝗁𝗀 Espinosa for MyTV Cebu.